Hello, today I will be speaking to you all about talkback settings. That is, I will be speaking to you all about features in talkback. So let's straight away go to talkback settings and see what is there in it.
Talkback menu. Read from cup, spoke, screen, hides, voice commands, talkback settings. Talkback settings. Navigate up, button, out of list. Talkback settings. New features in Talkback, 1 of 13, in list, 13 audio, heading, 2 of 13. Text to speech settings, 3 of 13. Verbosity, 4 of 13. Speak passwords, passwords always spoken, on, switch. Sound and vibration, 6 of 13. Controls, heading, 7 of 13. Customize gestures, 8 of 13. Customize menus, 9 of 13. Braille keyboard, 10 of 13. Customize menu, Braille keyboard, 10. Tutorial and help, 11 of. Advanced settings. Open Talkback in the Galaxy Store, 13 of 13. Edge panels, up. Navigate up, but Talkback settings. New features in Talkback, 1 of 13. Audio, heading, 2 of 13.
So when I started to swipe on my screen, you all might have heard the names that talkback read out to you all. So we will be looking at each and everything one by one, step by step. So first we've got audio as our heading. Now let's move forward to check what is there.
Text to speech settings, 3 of 13.
Text to speech settings, it contains pitch of the voice and speech rate of the voice. So like if I go over here, so I can set the pitch of the voice and speech rate. Also I can set the language, in which language I want the talkback to speak, and also I can choose different voices from there. Like if I have set my talkback currently to English, so I can choose from variety of languages from there, that is English UK, English US, English India, like that I can choose from there. Then we have
Verbosity, 4 of 13.
robustity,
Speak passwords, passwords always spoken, on, switch, 5 of 13.
speak passwords, passwords always spoken. This is when you unlock your device and you are entering the password, so your password will be spoken by talkback. That is, it's going to say each and every number or letter. Say if your password is TABASSUM, so when you click on T, so it is going to say T. When you are going to click on A, it's going to say A. But if this feature is turned off, then if you are clicking on a word, say T, so it is not going to say T. Instead of T, it is going to say dot, and it is going to do same for each and every word. Now let's move further.
Sound and vibration, 6 of 13.
Sound and vibration. We will move inside this feature and check what is there. See.
Sound and vibration. Navigate up, button. Sound and vibration. Sound feedback, on, switch, 1 of 4, in list, 4 items.
Sound feedback is on over here. If I turn off sound feedback, then sound of scrolling and all that will not come. Like if I turn this feature off, so scrolling sound and all other sounds will be turned off. Only the girl or the boy, whatever you have set to, will speak. Okay, it is not going to make any sound except that. If you are scrolling, you will not understand.
Sound feedback, on, switch, 1 of 4. Sound feedback volume, match speech volume, 2 of 4.
Sound feedback volume match speech volume. This is something in which you can adjust the scrolling sound and all the other volumes. Like if you want to reduce the volume of scrolling sound or swiping sound, you can reduce the volume by going in here. We have options: 10% of medium volume, 20% of media volume, 30%, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and match media volume. So I have currently kept it to match media volume. Okay, I want it to match. So let's move to the next thing.
Audio ducking. Decrease other audio volume while speaking. On. Switch. 3 of 4.
Audio ducking. Over here what happens is, basically if you are say playing a video on YouTube and you don't want to listen to the video, you want to go back, okay, or do something else. So what happens if this feature is on, the sound of talkback will be more and the video's sound or the sound which is coming in your phone will be reduced, and you will be able to hear talkback's sound over normal sound, or say basically over the system sound. So that helps you to navigate through your phone easily. Or else say if the volume of video is very high and you touch your screen, so you will be able to hear only the video's sound, you won't be able to hear talkback sound. But if this feature has been turned on, then you will be able to hear talkback, okay, even if the sound of video is very high. So I have kept this feature on. Let's move further.
Vibration feedback. Off. Switch. 4 of 4.
Vibration feedback. If you are touching anywhere, if this is on, then if you are touching anywhere on your screen, your phone is going to vibrate when talkback is on. Okay,
Edge panels. Out of list. Edge panels.
so here this is over. Let's move to the next part.
Back. Top back settings. Sound and vibration. 6 of. Controls. Heading. 7. Customize gestures. 8 of 13.
Customize gestures. Over here you can customize various gestures of your screen. This I will speak to you about this separately. Let's go further.
Customize menus. 9 of 13.
This is similar to customize gestures.
Braille keyboard. 10 of 13.
Braille keyboard. This is when this keyboard is set as default keyboard, so you have to hold your screen in landscape mode and you have 1 2 3 4 5 6 dots coming on your screen and you can type just like that. Okay,
Tutorial and help. 11 of 13.
from here you can take talkback tutorials if you are a beginner. So you can go to this part and then learn all the lessons of talkback from here.
Advanced settings. 12 of 13. Open talkback in the Galaxy Store. 13 of 13.
Open talkback in the Galaxy Store will take talkback, will open talkback in Galaxy Store. That is, if you click here, you will be coming to Galaxy Store. And before that we have advanced settings, so let's move in that and check what is there.
Edge panels. Advanced settings. 12. Advanced settings. Navigate up. Advanced setting. Controls. Heading. 1 of 9. Focus indicator. 2 of 9.
This focus indicator is all about light and all those things.
Custom labels. 3 of 9.
Custom labels is when, say, there is an inaccessible app which is not accessible to talkback, and talkback is saying talkback is calling all its buttons unlabeled. So you can take the help of any sighted person, ask that person that which button this is, and then label that button. So next time if you want to use the app, so talkback will read out the name to you.
Single tap activation. Experimental tap once on a focused item to activate. Off. Switch. 4 of 9.
Single tap activation is something like if you turn this on, so if you have clicked on something after turning this on, so you will not need to double tap. You can just enter in it by tapping on it once.
Single tap typing. Off. Switch. 5 of 9.
Single tap typing is done when is turned on. When it is turned on, you do not need to double tap on any letters while typing on a keyboard. If you have learned the keyboard very thoroughly, so you can just type very fast on it without double tapping any letter. You can single tap, you can just tap once on any letter to write it.
Keyboard shortcuts. 6 of 9. Developer settings. 7 of 9. Privacy policy. 8 of 9. Terms of service. 9 of 9.
Privacy policy and terms of service, you can click here and view the privacy policy and terms of service of TalkBack.
Edge panels. Out of list. Edge. Back. TalkBack settings. Advanced settings. 12 of 13.
So we
In
have
list. 13 items.
completed with all the TalkBack settings. Let's go back.
Back. One UI home. Galaxy Store. In pager. Galaxy Store.
So we have learned many things about TalkBack. I will speak to you more in detail about it afterwards. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.